Good morning, you all. This is Phyllis coming at you. How's everyone doing? Hey, hit the subscribe button. Okay, channel name, put your mind to it. I got something for you. JoJo is in his cage right now, sleeping. But yesterday, what I got was some different treats from the animal store, pet store. I was gonna say animal hospital, y'all. I really was. So, JoJo, y'all excuse me. Y'all, this dress is really comfortable, but it's awful tight. Okay, let's see. I got these right here. Look, these are cookies, treat for dogs, right? So I decided, hey, let me taste these. Because they have a bar and they're nothing but, I don't know what they are, but humans can eat them. Yeah, humans. Okay, look at this cookie. You would think that it looks just like a regular cookie. Just bread sticks, rather. Good and not too sweet. Okay, if I was a I would eat that one. Yeah. Uh-oh, that fell. Okay, this one got something in the middle of it. Let's see. Now, you know this has got to be good. Okay, let's try this one. I mean, they taste pretty good. The animal treats taste really good. The dog treats. It could be one of our cookies. This one is good. Yeah. This one, if somebody gave me this, I wouldn't think it was a dog treat. Not this one. Okay, let's try this dog treat. Okay, look at that one. Okay, let's try this one. It almost tastes like a dry biscuit. It's like a dry biscuit. Feel it? And after, you can taste a little bit of fragrance. This almost tastes like your house would smell. It tastes like your house smells. That's what it tastes like. Okay, we're not going to do that one. Okay, this one is just like a little chocolate chip cookie. Let's try this one. Okay. I buy that one. I buy those. That one. Okay. And it's all natural, y'all. It's not really. Whoa, here go one almost like the last one I had. And it's got filling in the inside. It's got that. Let's try this. Okay, ready? That one is really good. I would buy that last one. I would buy it. Are you sure this is dog treat? These are dog treats at the pet store. And I'm eating them. This one tastes just like a cookie from the store. I would buy that one. I think that might be a little bit too sweet for the dog. Okay, let's try this one. Whoa, they kind of did a decoration on this one, huh? Let's check it out. No, I can't chew it. No to this one. No, I can't even taste them. Now this, that tastes like dog food. Don't act like ain't nobody never take dog food, because it has happened. Okay, now that one tastes like dog food. Really, for real. Okay, this is a dog bone. Look like a dog bone too. So let's try this one. Oh, that tastes like a... Oh my God. That tasted like a dog biscuit. In the box. Oh no. Ooh, I'm running out of tissue. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Oh, these some little bitty pellets like drops you can make something with. Let's try this one. No. That tastes like a dog. Dog whip for real tastes like a dog whip. I'm running out of tissue. Okay. Let's do the next one. Oh wait. This is a moon shaped biscuit. I guess they got it shaped as a moon. They had a whole lot of them shaped as a moon. That one is soft. Good for diabetics, probably. A diabetic dog. You don't really taste sugar in this one. But it doesn't taste. You don't taste sugar. And it's not hard. And I think this is about the last one that I have. Yeah. Yeah, that's about this the last one I have. And this kind of got a little green on it and a little ghost. They did this for Halloween. You see that little ghost on that little cookie right there? Okay, let's try this one. Let's try to eat the tail of the ghost. No. Why don't dogs sound like that? No, don't eat. Anyway, y'all. Okay, I ate dog cookie. Y'all, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You are subscribed, hit that notification button, and me and JoJo will be back again, my new guinea pig. And his name is JoJo. We'll check y'all later. Bye.